Okay guys, trying the new mast position for the Haft with stronger winds, or at least I hope. The forecast 13 to 22, so let's see how it goes. The first try with low winds, the boat behaved awesome with the mast in the new position. So let's see how it goes today. Hopefully we'll get stronger gusts and you see. For now, can't even make it here. Also, I got new wind mufflers on the camera, so I don't know how that wind noise is gonna sound like, but let's go then. Oh yes! Oh, it's better! Okay, need more downhole. Okay, so the quick link on the Traveller failed with a jibe. So I'm gonna try another one and see how it goes. Will it pop again? Yes, that doesn't hold the jibe, okay? Okay, so it's obvious I need a stronger weak link there, or good brand one, not some rubbish hardware. Okay, so no jibing tonight, hopefully. Alright, let's go sailing. Oh yes! There's some sandbars ahead. Bigger drop! Yeah, right. So I can't jibe. First time in Rat Island this year. Okay, I don't think you're gonna have those 13 to 23 or whatever it was winds. You did have some decent gusts. The boat doesn't have V-helm anymore. If anything, stronger gusts, it does develop a little bit of weather helm, which is good. But for most part, it's just a balanced helm, very light. No problem whatsoever. And I'm quite happy with the mast in this position. I will modify that sweetly on the Traveller, because not being able to jibe, well, that's not an option, is it? The gadgets will tack round and round and round all the time. But it's a beautiful day, finally. Very late in the season, we didn't have good weather until very late. But I think from now on, over 30 degrees Celsius every day for the foreseeable future. So,